Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn circles together, step by step. Let's name the pieces of a circle. The radius runs from the center to the edge. The diameter passes through the center and is twice the radius. A chord joins any 2 points on the circle, and an arc is a curved piece of the edge. Knowing this vocabulary makes every circle theorem easier to follow. Angles inside circles follow neat rules. A central angle with its vertex at the center equals the arc it opens to. An inscribed angle with its vertex on the circle is exactly half of its arc. So an inscribed angle is always half the central angle that catches the same arc. This relationship solves tons of problems. An arc AB measures 100 degrees. An inscribed angle that opens onto this same arc is exactly half of it. So the inscribed angle equals 1/2 of 100, which is 50 degrees. Whenever the vertex sits on the circle, just halve the arc. Simple, fast, and it works every time. Now find an arc's length. The radius is 6, and the central angle is 90 degrees. 90 over 360 is 1/4 of the full circle. The full circumference is 2 pi r. That's 2 pi times 6. Take 1/4 of it. 3 pi, which is about 9.42 units. Fractions of a circle make this easy. Let's lock it in. The diameter is twice the radius. A central angle equals its arc, while an inscribed angle is half its arc. To measure an arc's length, take the angle over 360 and multiply by the circumference. Master these in circles, which look intimidating, become some of the friendliest geometry problems you'll meet. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.